Imagine a creature that never asks what it's eating, only whether it can fit in its mouth. What would happen if you ate the meat of something that eats everything? A pig doesn't choose. Rotten meat, plants, insects, garbage, chemicals spilled in the dirt. If it's in front of him, it disappears into his stomach like a bottomless pit. Because to a pig, the stomach isn't just an organ. It's a laboratory designed to dissolve the impossible. And everything he eats, clean or filthy, eventually becomes part of his body. So when a person eats pork, they're not just eating meat. They're eating the history of that animal. Here's the twist. Unlike humans, pigs don't sweat. Your sweat removes toxins. His body stores them. Pesticides, heavy metals, chemical residues, medications, everything stays locked inside his fat, year after year, layer after layer, until the day it reaches your plate. And that's only the beginning. Inside pork lives a microscopic army. One of the most famous soldiers is trichinella, a tiny worm that can survive for years inside muscle fibers. You take one bite, it wakes up in your stomach, travels through your blood, and settles in your muscles and even your eyes. Pain, fever, crushing fatigue. Your body fights a war you never saw coming. Then comes the silent enemy, the tapeworm, Taenia solium. It grows quietly in the intestines, releases eggs that can travel to the brain, causing seizures, neurological damage, even paralysis, all from one meal. And viruses? Hepatitis E is known to spread through infected pork. One bite can be enough. But heat kills parasites, you might say. True, heat destroys living worms. But heat cannot erase a lifetime of toxins. Nothing removes the heavy metals, chemicals, or residues absorbed over years. Cooking doesn't purify the past, it only kills the present. Even after death, the pig's body behaves differently. Its blood clots unusually fast. Its texture tightens quickly. On the outside, the meat looks fresh and pink, but inside lies another world. A world of toxins, residues, and microscopic life. So when someone thinks they're eating good pork, they might actually be tasting something else. A lifetime of what the pig couldn't eliminate. You think you're eating meat, but are you sure you're not eating poison with the flavor of pleasure? What else do we consume without realizing what hides beneath the surface?
Subscribe for more Microdose Science.